What's up, y'all? Just got back from the gym. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys one of the meals that I've been eating this week. It's pulled barbecue chicken sandwiches, barbecue and potato. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare that. Quick and easy meal, and it tastes good. Alright, so I'm about to eat 9 ounces of potatoes. I'm gonna cut these up, weigh it out, and put it in the oven. Alright, so I just cut my potatoes up. I weighed them out, and now I'm about to put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I got my oven already warmed up, so now I'm about to throw these guys in there. Alright, so I just weighed out my chicken. I got 4 ounces. As you see, I just shredded it up. Now I'm finna put this barbecue sauce on here. That barbecue sauce on here, boy. This is what I'm using right here. Is Huey's barbecue sauce. It's pretty good. There's only 2 carbs in here. There's no fat, no protein, so 2 carbs only. And 1 serving is 30 grams. And as you'll see, 30 grams is a lot. It's more than enough to get the job done. I'm gonna put 2 servings on here, so that's 60 grams. I'm using these flat round multi-grain rolls. Alright, so I'm gonna put a couple pickles on here. 1 serving of this is 28 grams, and 28 grams is equal to 1 carb. But I'm not gonna put 28 grams worth on here, so I'm gonna just like, so I ain't tracking. Wow. Bam. Check them out. Got that reduced sugar ketchup from Walmart. 1 serving weighs 16 grams, and there's only 1 carb in this. I'm gonna put 1 or 2 servings on here. I'm just see how I look. Alright, so I'm just gonna do 1 serving. That's enough ketchup. So as you can see right here, this is the finished product right here. Alright, y'all, so there it is. I got the pulled chicken barbecue sandwich with potatoes and ketchup. It looked good because it tastes good. You know what I'm saying? Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Alright, don't forget to like the video, comment on it, subscribe. See y'all next time. I'm out.